Hi, welcome to Backpacker Dad. I'm Alan Green, and today I'm going to take you with me on a shakedown hike that I did solo over on the Lone Star Hiking Trail. Now, the Lone Star Hiking Trail is a 100-mile continuous wilderness footpath that's located in the Sam Houston National Forest, which is about an hour and a half or so north of Houston in the great state of mind that is geographically known as Texas. I love doing shakedown hikes over there because two reasons. One is it's accessible. It's only a 3-hour drive from my house near San Antonio. And my daughter, who lives in the Woodlands area, is a teacher over there, and I go visit her. So, being the sentimental fool dad I am, any excuse I get to visit with my kids, I take it. So, enjoy this hike. And a couple of things that I'm going to note to you that in my videos, you will see all my hiking videos are probably going to be sort of modeled this way, as I'll have the weather conditions. I'll try to, at the beginning of it, put the weather conditions that day that I'm hiking. And also, I put my trail tunes, because I listen to, with one ear in, of course, so I can hear and listen, because there's a lot of symphonic stuff going out in the forest. I like to listen to albums in their complete section and do them a couple of times. I'll listen to an album 2 or 3 times a day and then flip to another one. But I list those so that you can kind of get an idea, because I shoot to music and I edit to music. So, and all the music that is actually used in these videos, I create. My writing partner, friend of mine, who he creates, or bands that I know, friends of mine in bands that I know create, or other bands that I really admire and like, and that music is special. Everything in these videos I try to make special, because I am the sentimental fool. Anyway, I digress. But I want to let you know about some future videos. I've got some really exciting things going on. I'm basically doing another tent than the one that I had in this one, and the tent that I've mentioned in the Big 3, I've kind of moved up to another tent, and I'll be doing a review on that. And I also have got a hammock I just got, so that's kind of something in the works. I'm looking at that. And of course, food. You know, I'm only a few months away from this hike that Jordan and I are taking, and I'm trying to figure out the food. I want to do kind of some of my own stuff besides the pre-prepped, very expensive, you know, Mountain House and Packet Gourmet and all these, you know, Trailtopia type. They're great meals, don't get me wrong, but I think I can figure out 6 days worth of meals that Jordan and I can get into for a reasonable price. Anyway, I digress. I'm taking you right now to East Texas, and enjoy this hike, and also subscribe and share and comment. Please give me some comments if you see anything, or for instance, food. Does anybody, what food do you guys eat when you go out on the trail? Leave a comment, let me know. And I will talk to you next week, but right now enjoy it, and I'll see you later.
I got using. It's motion GPS or something like that. And then you got a life coach in your ear that tells you, I'm sure you can turn it off, but life coach in your ear telling you in regular intervals how many miles you've covered and how fast you're going. So come here to, looks like we go that way, crossing. Well, you're probably wondering why I'm wearing a bright orange hat. Well, in national forest, where they allow hunting in the fall, they really highly recommend you wear hunter orange on some, at least part of your body. I probably should have more, but so I just dug out of my bird hunting stuff and I'm wearing orange. Yeah, this is shortly, not long after Hurricane Harvey, so a lot of water came through here. Houston, I was in Houston during that time working, and the amount of water was amazing. So I can only imagine this place was like a gully full of water. Look at all the trees and stuff it pulled down. Power of water. Yeah, the Allen Briars where I come from, boy, they are really cutting my feet up. They were bleeding earlier. I just doctored them up with a little bit of hand sanitizer so I could anyway, I'm gonna eat lunch on this log here, and then I think I'm going to put on my long pants. Cross the road from there. Now I'm in this section. Starts up here. Go through this little cattle guard, and kind of a different feel now. Okay, what I ended up doing is just going around that way, coming up here, taking the easy way down, and back on the trail. Woo! From what I heard, I think this was a Eagle Scout project or something. I'm not sure. I heard there was some Eagle Scout projects in this forest on this trail. But we'll see. There's no water here now. I'm glad I came prepared, cameled up. I brought 3 liters of water. 3.5 liters of water. So I'm ready. I think I can find some water though at the end of this thing. At an 8-mile marker, they say there's a place to camp. Maybe a water source, but we'll see. One thing I noticed about this place is it's very well marked, and they also try to keep it as clear as they can. These old growth pine trees are falling like crazy. So I guess they do what they can, but they do a really great job. There's a club that takes care of this trail. So very cool. Thanks, guys.